pressure, energy, work, power. All these things are what? Physical quantities. Why are they called physical quantities? Because they bring a physical change. If I give you one tight slap, लगेगा ना physically? Physical लगेगा, emotional forget. But physical change it is bringing about or not? And when I put some energy in some work, it will bring about some physical change or not? So all these are physical quantities. What are my physical quantities? Physical quantities are which bring about a physiological change. Something moves, something hurts. I am pushing this. Sorry? Feels, yes, like I am pushing this. I am applying force. But is this moving?
No.
No work is done. But I am feeling something or not? I have done my bit of applying my force or not? I have. So, yes.
When you are pushing, so you are applying force.
Yes.
But your hand starts hurting.
Yes, my hands are hurting. You know why?
Pressure.
Because of pressure also. I am not just applying force. What am I applying? You know, I am applying pressure also. लगा? किधर फील हुआ pressure? यहीं पे हुआ कि नहीं? कहीं और हुआ क्या? हाथ पे हुआ, पैर पे हुआ? नहीं. So pressure
is applied by a person on a body, and pressure is the
applied on a spot. Pressure is felt in a certain spot. If I am applying pressure here, or if I am applying force here, the pressure is felt only in this part. But the force will affect the whole thing. It's a uniform body.
It can break.
It can break it, it can move it, it may not bring about any change. But the force acts on the whole body. Pressure acts on that spot. Therefore, pressure depends on the area also. If I use my finger, it is just this much area on which the pressure is acting. But if I bring a bulldozer, then it will act on a bigger surface area. So pressure is dependent on area. First physical quantity, for the most inherent, the first physical quantity that you should learn is force. Force is not force, is push and pull. We push or pull. And what are the changes that we bring about? We bring about change in size,
shape,
we bring about a change in shape,
and
direction. If the football is coming from here, I kick it and put it in the goal. Direction change किया कि नहीं? Direction.
position,
और state of rest or motion. Rest में है, kick किया, motion में चला गया. Motion में है, ball को पकड़ा, rest में आ गया. Both are possible. So change of state of rest or motion. Is it it? किसका? रेशो में पूछो. हो गया. हाँ पर अपलोड.
इसमें अपलोड
उसी नहीं वो अलग है. ये अलग है.
नहीं सेम है. मैंने शुरू किया ये देखो ना.
पक्का?
हाँ ये वाला देखो ये वाला इंटरव्यू है.
ये किया था. अब ये पता है मुझे बस मेरा कपड़ा वॉश किया. एक इस न्यूटन का है आइंस्टाइन का है. The different sums किया है. Okay. So force is definitely a push or pull. Either I push it or I pull it. I am pushing the door. I am pulling the door. These are the only two things that we can do in force. Either I can push it or I can pull. So force is a push and pull physical quantity, which brings about the change in shape, size, direction, and state of rest or motion. Understood? This is what force is. Now, in higher standards, that is your next year, we will learn that why is force a product of mass and acceleration. But it is. For now, I want you all to have this knowledge. In your textbook, I am not sure if it is given or not, but you need to know what is force. Force depends on two things. One is mass and another thing is acceleration. Yes, beta? क्या लिखा? So, mass and acceleration. Do we know what is mass? Do we know what is mass? Mass is, let's start what is mass?
The body contains inside.
The contents inside a body, the matter contained in a body, the matter.
मैम acceleration का क्या था?
आ रहे, वही पे आ रहे. Contained in a body. You will write down these also. Now what I am teaching you, you will write down these also. Not now. Pens down. Mass is the matter contained in the body. Now, say my mass is 100 kg, your mass is 50 kg, your mass is 10 kg, your mass is 20 kg. Assumption. So, tell me, which will require more force to stop me? I am also running, you are all of us are running in full speed. इसको रोकने में ज्यादा फोर्स लगेगा,
100 kg.
मुझे रोकने में सबसे ज्यादा फोर्स लगेगा कि नहीं? So can I say if mass increases, the force needed to stop it also increases? Can I say that? Now let's come to the concept of acceleration. Before understanding, see, I want you all to remember this. F is equal to ma. एकदम important concept है. कहाँ से आया, क्या आया? We will talk about that in next study. But acceleration from that. All right. Tell me first thing. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Can I say speed is the distance covered by an object per unit time? Okay. And acceleration पता है क्या है? Speed upon time. मतलब क्या? The speed upon time. Acceleration is speed upon time. This speed is distance upon time. So what is speed upon time? The rate of change of distance is called as speed. The rate of change of speed is called as acceleration. So can I say speed is the
Acceleration we call it to move a car.
yes accelerator, brakes. Speed बढ़ता है कि नहीं धीरे धीरे? When a car is at rest, I am taking it out of the garage. Will it have a constant speed of 0 meters per second? No. It is going to have. अच्छा distance before that. Distance का ऐसा यूनिट क्या है? Meters. Time का ऐसा यूनिट क्या है?
Seconds.
So speed का ऐसा यूनिट क्या होगा? मीटर पर सेकंड होगा कि नहीं? So speed is the rate of change. I'll come to acceleration.
मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर होगा.
Acceleration होगा वो. Speed is meter per second. Speed is the rate of change of distance. Can I say this safely? Do you all agree with me? Unit is meter per second. Now let's come to acceleration. Acceleration is rate of change of speed. मतलब क्या? 0 था, 0 meters per second. वहाँ से मैंने गाड़ी धीरे धीरे गराज से क्या सीधा निकाल दोगे क्या एकदम फुल हाईवे के स्पीड पे? No. Slowly I am accelerating or not? Slowly I am changing the gear or not? By changing the gear, what am I doing? I am increasing the speed or not? So the speed is increasing slowly or not? So speed is increasing slowly. So the acceleration is what? Rate of change of speed.
Constant the speed increases.
But if I am approaching a signal on the highway, what will I do to the speed? Increase करके निकाल लेंगे क्या हम लोग एकदम सीधा नहीं नहीं धीरे धीरे कम होगा कि नहीं? So that is called as deceleration. What is it called? Deceleration. Deceleration is negative acceleration. But it is also a rate of change of speed or not? In one case speed is increasing, in another case speed is decreasing. Both are a concept of change of speed or not. So what will be the unit of this? Speed का unit क्या है? मीटर पर सेकंड है कि नहीं? Upon second. So can I say meter upon second? Upon second is nothing but this is second upon 1. So can I say mathematically meter upon second into 1 upon second, that is nothing but meter per second square. So what will be the rate of change of speed? Meter per second square will be the unit of acceleration. Did you understand the concept of acceleration and mass? Now tell me, if a car is moving very high speed, बहुत high speed, 100 meters per second की speed, उसको ब्रेक मारना is easier और 20 meters पे कोई चला रहा है, some old uncle slowly 100 meters. So can I say if acceleration increases, the force needed to stop or to stop the car is going to increase? Sir, पक्का है कि नहीं ये बात? That's why force depends on only two quantities. What are those two quantities? Mass and acceleration. So mass into acceleration is what? Right.
आपने जो वो 100 मीटर पर सेकंड हो इसका वापस
कौन सा बताओ?
आपने बोला 100 मीटर पर सेकंड पर चला है
हाँ ठीक है 100 मीटर्स पर सेकंड के स्पीड पे गाड़ी जा रहा है एकदम जूम कर रहा है ऑन खाली हाईवे पे ओके सो ओके लेट्स फॉरगेट अबाउट स्टॉपिंग इट इज one car is going at 20 meters per second slowly one uncle is driving another fellow one young chap is driving at the full zooming speed both of them unfortunate situation but both of them go and hit a wall किसको ज्यादा चोट लगने का चांस है?
100 मीटर.
किस पे ज्यादा फोर्स है? 100 meters per second fellow is going to exert more force or not? why the resistance, he goes and completely breaks the wall. But 20 meter वाला अंकल को सिर्फ थोड़ा सा लगेगा, maybe he'll get a little bit of ache in the back or something like that. But he will survive. 100 meters वाले का meter per second के वाले का बोल सकते हैं क्या कुछ? Gone, maybe. है ना? But don't give these examples. I'm just giving it to you so that you understand. समझ में आया?
वस्तु से मार्क्स भी दे देंगे कितने अच्छे हैं.
Understood? Write this down. Write what is force. Write what is force का mass into acceleration. Same.